Okay, so let's look at a second example here. So now we have Carmen kicks a football, and the ball travels a total of 60 yards and reaches a maximum height of 15 yards. Write an equation that models the path of the ball. So anytime I'm given some sort of modeling question, I start by drawing a little picture. So I know that over here is our friend Carmen, and she kicks the football, and it travels a total of 60 yards and reaches a maximum height of 15 yards. So probably it follows some kind of parabolic path. As anything that you throw and it falls back down, if you're on a place that has gravity, it's going to follow a parabolic path. So if she starts at 0, 0, and the ball travels 60 yards, well, that means it lands at 60, 0. And it reaches a maximum height of 15 yards. So because parabolas are perfectly symmetric, then this maximum height of 15 has to come exactly halfway through the path of the ball. So this has to be at the point 30, 15. And that maximum height, that has to be our vertex. Right? So that is halfway between my two x-intercepts. I have the x value of my vertex, and then I know the y value is at 15 because that's the maximum height. And now I have just another question where I'm trying to write the equation of a parabola given a point and a vertex. So writing down vertex form again, I have, this is just vertex form. And then I know my vertex is at 30, 15. So y is equal to a times x minus 30 squared plus 15. And now I can pick either one of these points. They're both perfectly valid. They'll both give me the same answer. So I'm going to pick 60 because I want to do 60 minus 30 because that's positive. It doesn't matter which one you pick though. So when x is 60, the y value is 0. Sometimes I write this down just so I don't lose track and plug them in the wrong place. So when x is 60, y equals 0. So 0 equals a times 60 minus 30 squared plus 15. And again, for my picture, I know that this opens down, so a has to be negative. And it's also a really wide parabola, right? Because it goes from 0 to 60, but only goes 15 units high. That's a very wide parabola. So I'm going to get a really small a value, a small negative a value. So solving this just like we did the last one, 60 minus 30 is 30. So I have a times 30 squared plus 15. 30 squared is 900. So this is 900a plus 15. Subtracting 15. And a is equal to, so I divide both sides by 900. That's the last step. So a is equal to negative 15 divided by 900, which, as I said, should be a very small number. And it is, yes, 0.0167. So my equation for this path of the football is y equals negative 0.0167 x minus 15 squared, x minus 30 squared, plus 15. You could also leave it as a fraction, of course. You don't even need to simplify it. So these are the same answer, of course. Okay.